friends, let's have some fun. Join us now, we're just getting started.
We're going to need some yarn, so I've just picked up some thick yarn and I've gotten a 5mm hook so you can see what I'm doing. So once you get your yarn, I'll meet back up with you to show you what to do.
In a world of treasures, big and small, trinkets.
For a double foundation, we're just going to slip knot onto our hook. Now we're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and then into the third loop, we're going to go into that stitch. So 1, 2, and then 3 into this stitch here. We're going to insert our hook. So yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up, pull through 2, yarn over, and then we pull through 2. And that creates our first double crochet of the row. Now, for the next stitch, whoopsie, I'm dropping my... So now for the second stitch, we're going to go through this bottom stitch here. Make sure when you're doing this, you're just going through this bottom stitch. You don't want to accidentally catch this side. You just want this stitch here. Okay? So make sure you're going through here. So I'll bring you a different angle. So when you're going through, you want to be going through this stitch here. Okay? Make sure you're not going in a weird angle, and make sure you're not grabbing this stitch or this back stitch when you go through. So we're going to yarn over first, then we're going to go down into this stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, whoops, there we go, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to yarn over first, then we're going to go through. We're going to go back in through that stitch at the bottom here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, going back through this bottom stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, going through that bottom stitch again, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'll show you this one more time. So we're going to yarn over, I'm going to go into that bottom stitch here, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and then pull through 2. So that creates our double crochet foundation. This is the bottom half of the foundation, and this is the top half. Now, depending on what you're doing, you can either use this chain up 2 as a stitch, or you can choose not to. It's purely up to you. But that is essentially how you do the double crochet foundation. But as always, thank you for stopping in, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye!
Trinkets, trinkets ready to explore. Yeah.